Hi guys, it is February 9th, 2024. William here, and man, did we have a snowstorm last weekend. Holy cow, went right into Monday. We got a meter of snow. My arms are still tired from shoveling. I'll show you the snow. We got tons and tons of snow. Big snow banks. Holy cow. I hope we don't get any more. We don't have anywhere to put it. So I went and got my injection this week. Got my injection of fluphenfixol decanate. I get that every 2 weeks. It's an antipsychotic, keeps me balanced. I also take omeprazole for acid reflux and metformin, I think it's called. I take that for my diabetes. So yeah, I take quite a few medications. For those of you who don't know, I live in Bedford, Nova Scotia. It's a nice place to live. It's right close to Halifax. Halifax is the capital of Nova Scotia. So yeah, everything's nearby. Let's see, what do we have for this week's cigarette? Yes, I'm gonna do it again. Make it a weekly thing. Today's cigarette warning is gangrene. This is what we have to look at when you smoke in Canada. You get the name of the cigarette down here and then this big warning. Oh well, could be worse. Could cut us off totally. They were thinking about putting warnings on alcohol in Canada because alcohol causes cancer, I guess. So they were thinking of putting warnings on alcohol, but I think that would be going a little too far. So I was supposed to meet up with someone from the hospital today, but they're out sick. So yeah, I didn't get to meet with them today. Would have been nice, like the company. I get lonely sometimes. There's a few people who come visit me, and I got my worker every week. But yeah, I get lonely sometimes. Oh well. Listen to the radio, watch television. I watch the news a lot. I get depressed by the news. There's so many wars going on, so much conflict. It's just getting crazy out there. I guess that's about it. Not much more happened this week. And I hope everyone has a good weekend. And thank you for viewing the vlog. And I'll see you in the next vlog.